Alright, you guys are normally used to seeing me rebuild old cars, not old garages. So I did a preview of what this garage used to look like before it got rebuilt, and now this is what it looks like. It is sort of a slanted roof with an full 8 foot tall garage door. You can see compared to the neighbors over there, they have a 7 foot garage door. I don't know if you can tell or not. Ours is quite a bit taller and narrower. This is the original space where the garage was originally built. I found the permits from 1945. I had to dig through the county and city archives. We still have a junk pile and a dump truck parked here, but what we're going to do is give you a little garage tour. So the inside is not electrified yet. Hopefully my camera will show. The ceiling, what you call casement windows that are up by the ceiling and the inside of the garage door. It is approximately 260 square feet, so it's 10 by 26. Really nice. Really thick concrete. We poured 4 inches over the original 8 after we got, took out the loose pieces and stuff, so it's got a really thick foundation. The next job is to bring in power for there. I'm going to use my digger and dig a hole and water bore from the house to the garage. These are pretty neat. Glass doors. You can raise up the blinds. The blinds are within the glass, and the glass is argon filled, so it has lots of insulation value. I don't know if anybody's ever going to live in this place, but it might be a good place to store my cars. It was a lot of work, and I think you can gather that from my photos. I'm going to lock up. So far it's been secure, and of course both these doors open straight out. I'm going to take a picture from out here and talk about it a little bit more. So it matches also the trim on the house. You see the header above the French door there, and the header above the garage matches the header above the house. Wanted to keep it all looking good, so let's walk around to the back and I'll show you what's going on back there. Okay, so we're in the backyard looking at the back of the garage, and you may say, Mark, why did you build it? Why didn't you make it bigger? Why didn't you do something different? If you look here, it's on the property line. This is an alleyway. It's not public, but it's, I don't know what you call it, city alley. And so it's on the property line here and the property line on the back there. And the reason I left the old garage there was, if I would have took the old garage down a long time ago, like I should have, I couldn't rebuild this garage in the same place. I would have had to move it 5 feet off both property lines. So I wanted to keep my options open, so I let the garage kind of fall down until it got to the point where the neighbor was complaining because it was leaning on his garage, and I get that. So now we have space between the garages, although not a lot. I think there's 3 feet to get back in there, like that. We got a gutter on it and a metal roof, and everybody should be happy. It's quite the improvement. We could put a truck this size in there, although it's tight. I wish I could have made it bigger, but I had to get a permit for rebuilding an existing structure rather than starting new, and there's a big difference between them in cost. So hope you guys like this little project that I've been working on for 11 months now. It's finally to the point where it's usable. I still have some trim work to do and lights and power, but it is a structure that is worthy and not falling down and causing chaos. What do you think, Stell? You like that new garage? All right, thanks for watching. Let's get back to the regularly scheduled material, which is a lot of car and car related stuff. I gotta throw one of these home remodeling projects in every now and then, just to keep you guys on your toes. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. We'll see you later.